Good morning, good evening, my fellow traders. So the news are coming very, very soon. And let's see what is going to happen next. So what will wait for us after the news? Okay, so we still have like 55 minutes. It doesn't mean that I'm going to take all your time, but just a quick talk about how to trade the news and why these levels are actually important. So what can actually happen? Let me switch to euro dollar at the moment. Will be very volatile. As you can see, the price has been in a range for 2 days actually. Something very nice is going to happen today. Guess lots of money to be made here. Hope that we'll all be in there and making money, not losing this time. Okay, so what most of us are doing actually, so trading breakout. So most of you guys, well, not you guys, but most of the traders are trying to sell it on a sell stop order, buy it with a buy stop order. But what I would suggest you to do, well, it may work with pound dollar. Usually it does. But with euro dollar, most of the time it does work with a limit order. So basically, as we have these two levels here, I'm not going to publish any ideas around this place, but if you want to kind of participate in the news movement, then you can place a limit order here, buy limit, here sell limit, if you don't know where the price is going to go. But if you're expecting a price to go down, as I do, then you can place a limit order. I would say minimum this level here, 1.10170, or the next one is 1.10370. So one of these levels will be triggered before the price will continue its down movement, possibly. Of course, we do have another scenario. So the price can actually just simply break through the area and continue its movement. So what shall we do if something like this is going to happen? Well, it's not a big problem, to be honest. So what we normally do is using a market orders, by the way, not standing orders. 1 minute chart, and it's not a joke. If you are trading not the metrics, but if you are trading charts, then 1 minute is good. We do have a, first of all, we do have a channel here. As you can see, it's on a 1 minute. So it's a high, it's a low, you know, so closing above the price will continue its up movement towards here at least. Closing below, it will possibly break through this level and continue its down movement. So what do we wait actually? So we are not placing any orders before the news is coming out. So what we do wait till the price will break through one of these levels. So when it will break in one level, first minute will close, second and third minute will possibly show us some kind of correction. Third or fourth minute has to close above this level. If it will be closed above this level, we're just simply pressing a buy button and we are buying or entering a long position. This is a break-even point, so in case if the market won't go anywhere in particular, then we can just actually have a break-even here. So first order, if we'll split our trade into two orders, then we can close one of them around here, just in case if the price will reverse and trigger our other order. So that's if you want to buy it. The same is happening if you want to sell it. So the price will break through this level here. Then we have 2 or 3 minutes kind of correction. Then we are selling with a market order. That's another way of trading use. So first, buy stop, sell stop. If you don't mind to have a slippage and really wide stop loss, If you don't want to do it, don't want to have it, then you can use a limit order, sell limit, and buy limit. If you want to participate in this move in more kind of clever way, if you are trading off the charts, of course, then that's what you wait. You are waiting for a first candle to be closed somewhere below this level, above this level, or even this one. Then 2 or 3 minutes of correction, then market order, market entry in a first move direction. So that's basically what we sometimes do. So have a practice, have a look. Well, you still have some time if you really want to trade it, but it's all right if you don't. So, and it's good if you won't. So I mean, it's good to trade it because you can make lots of money, but you can also lose lots of money as well. So I don't want you to lose, so I'm not advising you to trade during the news. Okay, so what are we doing here? So as you can see, so with Euro, in case if the Fed is going to raise interest rate, then the price is possibly going to go down. I mean, sometimes, as you can see in the past, especially nearest past, I would say, you saw that actually not always it does work this way. So that's pretty funny. So I mean, is it the good time to trade or not? It all depends on your trading approach, how risky you are. Do you want to win? Do you want to trade? Etc. Are you a gambler or not? Or just a little bit? All right, so have a look and try your best. That's my advice for the news. Sometimes trying your best means just don't trade. So that's good to understand as well. So yes, and still I do expect the euro to go down, pound or cable, in other words, do expect to go down as well. Will this level will be triggered before it will go down? But well, if you search through the history, you'll see that sometimes pound actually is moving straight forward, so it doesn't trigger any limits. So that's something what is happening with the pound. So Kiwi, do expect it to go down. Well, of course, this short-term target, well, it's a break even, I would say, in this case. In case if the price will continue its down movement, well, will be a possibility to make a lot. All right, and the entry points are, the first one is at 0.70722, and the second one is 71. So that's where to sell it. Dollar CAD. All right, as you can see, the price is in range. Well, still looking up. All depends on the decision. So in case if the price will continue its up movement, we'll probably see a tail or a wick towards 1.316. Frankie, do expect it to go up. The price can actually trigger this level here, 0.98500, then we'll continue its up movement. Dollar yen. Let's have a look. So what is happening? Well, basically the price is in range. The market is unsure where it will go or will not go. So I do expect it to go down, to be honest. And this is the level to sell it with a limit order, 106.800. Mexican, do want to sell it. Don't really know what is going to happen at the very important level at the moment. Does look like some sort of accumulation on a very low level of the low grade of the time frame, if I can say so. Okay, so 15 minutes, you know, it doesn't make too much kind of doesn't make us to pay attention to it too much. All right, so the price can actually continue its up movement towards here, then it will possibly bounce, or it can just go down from here. So as you can see, my two previous kind of predictions, if I can call it so. So it's not really a prediction, it's just the pointing out the direction where the market, well, I do expect the market to go in this direction. This is just one of the levels to trade. Okay, so gold, do expect the price to go up. So it has moved up for a while, actually, for a bit, I mean, during today. So we might have a tail towards even this 1320 actually, and then it will continue its up movement. So that's something what is actually possible. Okay, guys, so let's have a look at what is going on during the news, what will happen after, and what is going to be tomorrow. So I'll speak to you tomorrow. At least you've heard my advice about how to trade the news. Well, we'll see what is going to happen. I'm not some kind of a prophecy or something like this. So not going to guess where the price will go or will not go. So just 3 approaches to trade. Wish you a good luck. Really hope that you will make a good money out of the market today. So I'll see you tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye.